Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are met, Windows updates installed, and a recent backup of settings. Once done, close Visual Studio and any heavy apps to free resources. Now open the Visual Studio installer from Start or the Visual Studio menu. It manages workloads and components. You do this because the installer detects available updates and prevents partial upgrades. Make sure the installer itself is up to date before proceeding. Then select the instance you want to update and click Update to begin. Once the update starts, you'll choose whether to modify workloads or keep the same configuration. If you need new components like NET SDKs or C++ toolsets, add them now. This avoids multiple rounds of updating. The installer will download packages, watch the progress, and keep your machine plugged in. You may be prompted to accept license terms. Accept them to continue. If prompted to restart services or reboot, plan that reboot now so the update can finish cleanly. After installation completes, restart if requested. This finalizes component registration and avoids runtime errors. Once rebooted, open Visual Studio and verify the update in Help About, confirm version numbers and installed workloads. Open a recent solution and build to ensure toolchains and extensions load correctly. If something fails, run the Visual Studio installer repair or review activity log. XML for specific errors. That file points to missing extensions or a
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.